This is a game controller for your mobile phone. This is the PXN P30 game controller, and it uses Bluetooth to connect to your phone. It costs just under £40, and it'll be ideal for things like Fortnite or PUBG or even Asphalt. If you like playing them sort of games but you'd rather use a controller, this might be the baby for you. What we're going to do, we're going to do the unboxing, we're going to do an installation, a tutorial, so you can see how easy or how hard it is to install, and then we're going to test it. So with that, shall we do the unboxing? Right, let's have a look and see what you're going to get for your money. So it comes nicely packaged. I'll quickly show you around the box. Product features, I'm not going to bother reading it. Let's have a look, let's get her open. Oops. So what we have, PNX, that's a bit of tracing paper by looking at it. This will be how to install it. I will have a read of that. Connection method, P30. Comes out on a nice little sheet. What we've got, a bit of foam padding there. Here's the controller itself. Nicely packaged. So what do we have here? Power indicator. I told you all about it. That's really nice. That's very good. This is telescopic, by the way. A quick look around. It's got a reset button on the back. It's got all your buttons. So you've got LT, LB, RT and RB. You've got your X, Y's and B's. Joystick. Bottom buttons. Yeah, feels really nice. And there you go, telescopic. Will that fit my phone? Obviously I've got to take it out of the case. Mine's in the case at the moment. And this is quite a big phone, by the way. And it looks like it will fit. So that's really interesting and very good. But obviously I would have to take it out of the case. So with that, what I'm going to do right now we've had a chance to have a look around it, actually it feels quite solid. Doesn't feel like it's going to break easy. Yes. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to have a read the instructions, take my phone out of my case, and then we're going to see if she works. Right, one more thing before we start setting up. I thought to myself, well, how do I charge it up? Or does it take batteries? I had a quick look around, and there's this little grommet here, sitting here, and it's got a USB connection. I thought, well, I didn't see no instructions. Perhaps there's some more in the box. So I've got the box, had a look, and voila, underneath here, there is some more instructions. There's a USB cord for charging it up. There's, I'm not sure what this is, PNX, got a Q code. It's all in Chinese, so that's no good to me whatsoever. I'll put that to one side. And hopefully the instructions. In Chinese again. Mobile gaming controller, user manual. So yeah, so it does come with instructions, so that's a bonus. It says plug and play iOS, Android, so illumination patterns, troubleshooting. Oh, okay, very good. So yeah, so it's got instructions with it, but we're not going to use them. What I'm going to do is have a good read of this and see how easy it is to set up and have a go at setting it up. So let's go for it. Right, there's two different ways you connect this device to your mobile phone. The first way is to use Bluetooth, and we will be testing that out in a second. And the second way is to download an app called shootingplus V3, and we will be testing that because that has already been designed to play certain games on your mobile app. So with that, let's get on with it. Right, let's see how easy it is to use then. Well, first things first, make sure your Bluetooth is turned off on your mobile device, and mine already is, so that's perfect. Then turn on the actual controller itself, which is this little button here. So hold that in for a second and it comes on. You get a flash in red, So what you need to do to get this to start pairing, you need to hold down the home button and the X button at the same time until you get continuous flashing like this. Once you get continuous flashing, you know it's ready, or it's trying to connect to a Bluetooth device. So then you need to turn on your mobile phone device, this one here, turn on your Bluetooth, and in my case I need to go to more settings, and it should come up PXN P30. Click on that, it says pairing, connecting, connected. So that's connected. You get a solid red. So if you've got a solid red, you know it's connected. So that's all set up now, that's working fine. So we can get rid of that. Next we need to try it out on a game. Right, we are going to test it out on player unknown. So go into settings, go to controls. There's 3 options and they can be customised. I'm going to try it on number 3, but I have already tested it and they do work very similar to each other, and they don't work very well. But I'm just going to prove your point by showing you a quick game. Right, as you can see, some of the buttons are not working. The left controller is not working. They're not working. The only one that's working is that one and that one. The rest are not working. So what you need to do is download a program called shootingplus v3 from the App Store, and we're going to do that right now. And before you do that, you need to turn off your controller and you need to turn off your Bluetooth. Turn it off, and what you need to do is go into settings and you need to tell it to forget. So you go into your settings in here and tell it to forget. Like so, and then go to the App Store, search for shootingplus, all one word, V3, there it is, install. Right, once it's installed, open her up. Right, what you do next is turn on the controller, like we did before. So it's on, and then you press home and A button at the same time until you get a blue light, like so. Right, and then what you want to do is go into your Bluetooth connections, like so. Do a search for your device. Make sure you've uninstalled it first, because you've got to reinstall it. So it's got P30A. So click on that little baby there. Pairing. Connected. So that's connected. Close that. Move all them out of the way. Look for the app. There it is. Device disconnected. Please wait. There she goes, connected. And these are all the games that it will work with, PUBG being one of them. Give it a few seconds to load up. So we're going to try it out on PUBG. It says download game, so we're going to download the game. We've already got it, but it will just open her up. So it says open. Right, once you're in the lobby, you need to go into your settings, like we did before, and controls, and it's set on 3. I'm going to set it for 1 this time, and again you can always customise it as well. Save settings, exit. Right, let's try her out, let's see if she works. Right, let's see if the controls work. So we've got run now, so we can run, go backwards, move right, move left. That wasn't working before. Can look up, look down, turn. It should have punch, so that's your fire button. So that's all working. Yeah, jump, lay down. So everything's working. So we're going to have a quick game, but we're not going to play all of it. Just to see what it's like in game. Oh, got a weapon. Backpack. Shooting works. Lay down, stand up, squat. What's that do? It brings up them. Things like that. Zoom in. Stand up. You will have to fine tune it to suit you. Got a vest, got a helmet. Cool. Right, that was quite easy in the end. All you had to do is download the app, Shooting Plus, install it, set it up, and away you go. We tested it out on PlayerUnknown, and I thought it worked really well actually. Better than I thought, because I am not used to using one of these controllers on a mobile phone. And yeah, I was quite impressed. It's going to take me a little while to get used to it. You know, moving the controls about and going into the game and adjusting the sensitivity to suit me. But I'm sure a lot of people who use controllers will find this quite easy. The buttons are quite nicely laid out, better than I thought actually, because I thought, well, that's a bit odd, one up there, one down there. But it works out really well in the end. So yeah, it definitely gets my thumbs up. And hopefully this video will get your thumbs up. And if it didn't, give me a thumbs down and please subscribe. Thanks very much for watching. I'm going to have another game now.